Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Rod Count as we take a look at your trouble tracker for Saturday night into Sunday over the next 24 hours. The wind is going to pick up a little bit, but it's coming out of the south, so the cold's not going to be much of a factor. We are going to be dealing with some snow, but that won't happen until after midnight. Temperatures remain below freezing, so we're going to have some refreeze. That's when that slush or any of that melted snow refreezes. Then we're going to add some snow on top of that. So there could be some slick spots tomorrow, especially on the sidewalk or your steps or your stoop there as you head out. Now, let's take a look at the radar and the clouds. Starting to see a little bit in the way of the snow flurry activity break up, but it's coming out of the southwest. So that does a couple things. Like I said, we don't have to worry about the lake effect, and the temperatures aren't going to be bitterly cold for tonight. Watching this area of low pressure here moving fairly rapidly through Illinois into Indiana, and it's just going to move across the Buckeye State into the valley for tonight. How much snow? Well, we're looking at about an inch or two. It's going to start after midnight, but an inch or two by tomorrow morning, and then the snow tapers off as we get to the afternoon hours on Sunday, and then some chilly temperatures, especially after the sun sets on Sunday evening. But until then, here we are Saturday night. Notice as we get to the midnight hour, not much in the way of snow, so maybe just a stray flurry or so. Then after midnight, as we go through the day on Sunday, get maybe above 2 inches in Greenville, some of the northern locations of Mercer County and the northern locations of Trumbull County, but most locations, as you can see, an inch and a half of snow should suffice. So let's track it hour by hour. You start to see how the snow moves in after midnight. Temperatures actually warm up a little bit with that southerly flow, and then here we are at 6:30 in the morning. The snow is starting to taper off, moving through fairly quickly, and then those chilly temperatures setting in late Sunday night. Notice how we get down into right around 10 degrees or so. And then as we go through Monday, clouds return. Another system starts to push towards us. Here we are on Monday evening. We have snow in the forecast, but temperatures above freezing. So we could have a little bit of a wintry mix or some rain mixed in. Then the temperatures start to go below freezing as we get into the early hours of Tuesday, and that will change all that rain and that wintry mix into just snow. Speaking of snow, snow showers after midnight tonight, 19 for the overnight low, and we're looking at about 1 to 2 inches of total accumulation through the morning hours tomorrow. A little bit breezy tomorrow afternoon, winds out of the west at 15 miles an hour. So your morning breaks down like this: 19 with the snow showers tapering off, 25 in the afternoon, mostly cloudy and breezy. Now we'll take a look at your next 7 days. Bitterly cold air coming in late Tuesday, sticking around Wednesday and Thursday with temperatures below zero.